Welcome to my channel, guys. So we will be unboxing the Royal Kludge RK61 that I bought from Shopee. So the variant that I got is, if you can read it, it's all in Chinese, but I got the black variant in RGB. So the product page said that the black variant with red switches comes with a micro USB port. So I am already using this as my daily keyboard for about a few days now, so I was surprised that the keyboard came with a USB Type-C. So let's now unbox it. So this is the black version, by the way. So this keyboard came with a USB Type-C cord. This is the USB Type-C cord. A fairly decent one, you can say that. A rubber USB Type-C cord and a keycap puller. So from the YouTube videos that I've seen in customizing their own custom keyboards, that key cap puller is a bad one. So let's try to connect the RK61 in on my PC. So this is what it looks like. It has several playing patterns, but let's try cycling them all. Oh, I like this one. So it's fully customizable. It has a software that you can use to manually pick out the colors that you want for every key. And this is a 60% keyboard. It has the logo of Royal Kludge here, and I picked this keyboard for 1,700 pesos. A little bit above that, and you can choose between red, brown, and blue switches. So this keyboard has already been modded. I've already desoldered this keyboard and lubed the switches, band-aid mod the stabs, and lube the stabs as well. So if you want to see how I did that, I can post a tutorial on how to disassemble this keyboard, desolder the switches, band-aid mod the keyboard, and lube the stabs. So you can, I'll play a audio test with the keyboard here now. Oh, sorry about that. So like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more custom keyboard videos. So I also will be reviewing this TWS. This is the Field T1X. And I will also be reviewing this RK61 keyboard.